My video guide is about getting rid of fake Windows support alerts that quote the fake Windows support number +1 844 620 4171. So this is a fake Windows support number. It is quoted in fake Windows Defender Security Center notifications that come from this site bobkimt.sbs. But this site may be pretty random. It may be changed to some other deceptive sites eventually. But these are fake Windows support number. You should not call this fake number +1 844 620 4171. There are certain hackers who actually stand behind these pop-ups. You should not trust them. Don't call it this number. If you call it, you will hear some fake Microsoft technicians. They will try to make you waste your money in their favor. We recommend you to just leave this page, and also we recommend you to thoroughly research your computer with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Please get it on the official page combocleaner.com. Download the program, install it, and begin researching your computer with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threads which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threads, the locations of all these threads on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threads manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.